In this video I'm going to show you how to make these inspiration / motivation cards. Go! Hey, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Marieke Blokland from Bloknote.nl and I have a quick idea for you. I got this idea from Happiness magazine, which is a Dutch magazine all about spirituality and happiness. And in this edition there were 12 sweet cards, and they had these quotes on them, like, with you everything is nicer, everything happens with a reason, you make all the difference, it's going to be a beautiful day, there's only one person like you, you are love. Well, those kind of quotes. And yeah, they were actually to give away to people, like a compliment, I guess, or something, or as a sweet gesture. But I had this on my desk and I used it for myself to just, yeah, to say something nice to myself. I would just draw a card and put it on my desk. You make all the difference, for example, or everything is well. And I like that idea of just saying something kind to myself. But I didn't like the colors, I didn't like the paper, I didn't like the font, and I didn't like the drawings on them. So after a while I didn't really want these cards anymore, I want to throw them away. But I was afraid I would miss that little spark that they gave me. So I thought I'm going to make my own cards with a sort of quotes, what I want to say to myself. So I made a set of sweet cards for me, for myself. And they say things like, you rock, you are nice, surround yourself with positive energy, you mean it well, let it go, well, you're strong, that kind of things. Just sweet little quotes. And yeah, I quite liked how they turned out. And therefore I want to show you in this video how I made them. And I also made a little set that I want to use for my social media. Just little messages that, yeah, I want to shout out to the world, like cut the crap, own your weird, no light without dark, well, those kind of things. And the funny thing is, I was talking about these sweet cute cards to my friend Iris, and I was complaining a bit because I want my brand Bloknote to be more dark. I have been making more dark original pages and I want to focus more on raw self-expression. And then I'm making this crafty cute cards again. And she said to me, well, live, love, laugh. And I really laughed about that because, yeah, that's true. I guess that's just how I should see it. I also am a bit of a crafty person. And another friend of mine who saw them said, when I was complaining about it, that they were so cutesy and soft. Well, you are soft. So yeah, I guess I have to just accept that for myself. But in this video I want to show you how I made them. I cut out little cards from watercolor paper, and they are sized 7 by 10 centimeters, and I used a corner punch to make the corners round corner punch. And I used this Pentel brush pen for the lettering. And I just used my own raw handwriting, and because it's watercolor paper and a brush pen, you get these nice rough letters. And I never really know if it's going to fit, so I'm just trying to make it fit by adjusting the size of the letters to the space that I have. And I want to be really spontaneous there, so I never write it with pencil, but I just try to play with the space that I have. And voila! And then I took a little bit of metallic gold acrylic paint and colored all the inside of the letters with gold. I think that just really looks nice. And then added a couple of splatters. I hope that you like this crafty idea, and I will see you again in a next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You rock! Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao!